Well, hello everyone. I hope everybody's doing pretty good this evening. This is Rusty from Possum Bayou, as you probably already figured out. A little bit before Christmas, I won a contest. Basically what it is, what a lot of people know is Cousin Vinny. He has two YouTube channels. One of them is BNSF6951, run it all together. And the other one is CAPTAINCUZZ6951. And he had this subscriber appreciation giveaway contest, and he gave away a few prizes, and I happened to win one of them. I've actually kind of wanted to buy this kit for years, but I just never have because I'm kind of doing the model train stuff. But this is a model ship. He remembered one time that I said that I worked at a shipyard, a pretty big one at that. So it's about 600, 800 acres. It's a big place. So what I won was this nice model of the HMS Hood. And one of the things happened to the Hood, it got sunk by a lucky shot from the Bismarck. I'm not sure. I think about only 2 or 3 people survived it. Pretty nice. It comes, the hull's already kind of put together. But looking at the kit, that's pretty much it. So it ought to be fun. I may do a video on it. Maybe a little bit, but thank you, Vinny. And everybody needs to go check out BNSF6951 and CAPTAINCUZZ6951. When I put this video out, I'm going to put a link to his channels in my description. Thank you very much, Vinny. I appreciate it.